Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your account in the Zello app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Zello app, and here it opens up in the contacts menu. From here we just go into the top right corner, tap on the three dots, then tap on options, then on profile, and here at the bottom we find delete account. If you tap on this, then the app is going to show us a pop-up where we have to type in our password to delete our account. But after we have done that, it's pretty much a very easy thing to just continue. You just tap on OK, and the account is going to be deleted. So yeah, I guess that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.